If you are starting digital marketing in 2026, stop scrolling because most beginners are learning the wrong things and that's why they never make money. Digital marketing is not about posting random content. It's not about buying expensive courses and it's definitely not about learning 20 tools. It's about mastering a system. Let's simplify it. Digital marketing is the process of attracting attention, building trust, converting that trust into income. That's it. In 2026, AI tools are everywhere. Competition is higher. Content is faster. But businesses still need leads, sales, visibility, and brand awareness. And that's where you come in. If you understand how business grow online, you will never run out of opportunities. So now let's understand the 4 pillars of digital marketing in 2026. The first one is content. This includes YouTube, Instagram, blogs, LinkedIn. Without content, no one knows you exist. But remember, content is not about going viral. It's about solving problems consistently. The next one is traffic. Traffic means getting people to see your content. There are 2 types of traffic, organic traffic and paid ads. Beginners should start with organic traffic because it builds skills and authority. The next one is conversion, and that's where most beginners fails. You can have 10,000 views, but if you don't know how to convert, you earn nothing. Conversion includes strong call to action, landing pages, offers, understanding customer psychology. Marketing is psychology. The fourth one is automation. In 2026, automation is power. Email marketing, funnels, chatbots, AI workflow. If you automate correctly, you can earn while sleeping. Now let's understand step-by-step beginner's roadmap. The first one is foundation. First of all, in first month you learn basics of SEO, how content works, audience research, copywriting fundamentals. Don't jump into advanced ads yet. In month 2, you can start with creating. Pick one platform, YouTube or Instagram. Since long form builds deeper authority, I recommend YouTube. Start posting consistently even if your first 20 videos get low views. Consistency builds skill. The third month, you can start with skill application. Offer free services to a small business, local shop, a startup, a friend's brand. Why? Because results create confidence. And confidence creates income. In month 4, you can start with building proof like case studies, testimonial, before and after result. If now you are no more beginners, you are a problem solver. In month 5, you can start charging. Now you can earn from freelancing, start an agency, offer consulting, do affiliate marketing, grow your own brand. This is how real digital marketer grow, not by watching 500 tutorials. Here are some mistakes beginners must avoid in 2026. Don't chase every new tool. Don't copy viral creators blindly. Don't wait, feel ready. Don't focus only on followers. Now, let's see income opportunities in 2026 for digital marketers. Digital marketers can earn through freelancing, social media management, SEO services, affiliate marketing, YouTube monetization, selling digital products. You don't need a degree, you need clarity and execution. So if you want step-by-step tutorial, real strategies and practical implementation, subscribe to my channel because I'm starting a complete 2026 digital marketing series and I don't want you to miss it. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching.